solids. When we talk about volume, when I say that volume, immediately an idea comes to your mind that it is the product of length times width times height. Okay, if I am taking length times width, which gives you area times height. Here length times width is equal to area. If I am taking, let's say, a cylinder, I am taking a cylinder. Here when I ask you about volume of a cylinder, let me take the same formula which was derived here. So which is area times into height. So we can see that this is the height of this cylinder. Then area of the base, when we talk about this part, this is in the shape of a circle. So what is the formula or condition to find the area of a circle? All of us know that it is pi r square times height is equals to h. So as a result, when we take this one, volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. I repeat, when we talk about volume, immediately length times width times height, this idea comes into our mind. Length times width, that is nothing but area. You might read that area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. The same thing is taken. Here area into height gives us volume. Now let's take a cylinder. Let me adopt the same formula, area times height. Height you see here, this is the height of the cylinder. When we talk about area, the area of the base, which is in the form of a circle, so area of a circle is pi r square and height. So as a result it is pi r square h. Now when we take a cone, let me not take a cone, let me take a cylinder first. If I am taking a cylinder, we know that volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now here if I am drawing, now this part looks like this one is a cone, this one is a cone. It may not appear that these three parts are not same. These three parts, it appears that these three are not same, but experimentally it has been proven that volume of a cone is equal to 1/3. You see that here this is one part, this is one part, and this is the second part, and this is the third part. You see that three parts. Out of three parts, we are taking only one part. So when we take a volume of a cone, which is the same formula of a cylinder we adopt, that is pi r square h, and notice that we are making into three parts, so that volume of a cone will be 1/3. You see that 1, 2, 3. Out of three parts, I am taking 1. You know that if a fraction is given like this, I made it into 3 parts. Then which part is shaded means we say 1/3 of the circle is shaded. In the same way here in the cylinder we are taking only one part out of three parts, so that we call this one here volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. This is also experimentally proven.